Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on saving your pen tool as your default, and I started thinking about it. So I'm just going to draw two 4-inch hairline squares, but on this one, I'm going to go and I'm going to put the position inside the outline, and I'm also going to make it, I should have made it like a 1/4 inch so it'll be more dramatic. And then on this one, I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to make it that 1/4 inch, but I'm also going to put the position on the outside. And I don't know why I had it set on something else. These are both, if you look, it says it's 4 inches. If I click here, it says it's 4 inches because Corel is measuring basically it's a hairline as far as I'm concerned. And it's not, you can see they're not the same. If we hit, let's make this one black, and hit P, and hit this one and hit P, you can see that the other box is quite a bit larger. Now, the only difference is if you take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that box versus Smart Fill tool and fill in this box, they're both 4 inches. Now, if we, so if you were doing something that needed to be 4 inches, the other one's not going to be 4 inches. So if we take our parallel dimension tool and measure from that edge to that edge, we get 4 inches. If we measure, it's kind of hard to measure from the edge because it's not, the edge is really right there, but if we get close and go to the outside, well, it's 4.5 because we got 1/4 inch edging. So think about that when you're drawing and you want something to be 4 inches. Do you want it to be 4 inches from the center, or do you want to be at 4 inches from the outside of the edge? See, there's 4 inches because it's on the inside. So like I said, if you look at the shaped or the bounding box, they're on the outside, where this bounding box is on the inside. If you zoom in, you can actually see the bounding box is right on the edge. And if we zoom in here, the bounding box now is on this edge. So they're really both 4 inches, but it all depends on what you're trying to do. Now, the Smart Fill tool is going to make it 4 inches because it's going, well, let's just set this one on red and put it right on top of that other one. And actually, let's do this. Let's go to the transparency tool, and you can see that we're transparent it, and it's basically the black and the red are combining, or the red's turning into a black. So think about that when you're drawing and what you really want. If the customer wants a 4-inch box and something engraved in there, and this box is really 4.5. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.